Before buying fabric glue for fleece, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers often complain about the glue not holding up in tough conditions, but the right choice can make all the difference. Product number 1, Fit Dye Fabric Glue. First up is the Fit Dye Fabric Glue. Priced at $9.99, it caught my eye because of its versatility for various fabric types. If you want an easy solution for quick repairs, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product can solve your problems. This glue works with a whole range of materials: cotton, flannel, denim, and even leather. It's perfect for those times when you need to fix something without pulling out the sewing machine. With over 7,000 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it seems to be a favorite. The anti-clogging cap and precision tip make application a breeze, so you don't waste any glue. You can apply it, let it set for 24 to 48 hours, and you're good to go. But now let's talk about the downsides. Some users mention the glue takes longer to cure than expected. Here's the thing though, if you can be patient and allow it to fully dry, the results are definitely worth it, especially for those detailed projects. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself needing quick fixes on various fabric types. Skip this one if you're looking for something that sets in minutes, as this one requires a bit more time. Now, if the drying time of Fit Dye bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Gleam Glee Fabric Glue. Next, we have the Gleam Glee Fabric Glue, retailing for $7.19. I was drawn to this one because it's designed to create a permanent, flexible hold, which is essential for clothing repairs. If you're looking for something that's strong and reliable, you'll want to hear this. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This glue dries clear, meaning your repairs will be nearly invisible. It's washable and can even handle the heat from ironing, making it perfect for everyday wear. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 3,500 reviews, it's clear that many folks trust this product. The precision tip allows for clean application, so you avoid messy drips, which is something I found incredibly helpful. However, some users have noted it doesn't set as quickly as they would like. But honestly, if you can give it the time it needs to bond properly, you'll get long-lasting results that make it worth the wait. This is a great pick if you want a glue that can handle tough fabrics and frequent washing. Skip it if you're in a rush for a quick fix, as this one does take a bit longer to cure. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want multiple tubes for various projects. Product number 3, GH1200 Fabric Glue. Up next is the GH1200 Fabric Glue, priced at $8.99 for a pack of 8 10ml tubes. What caught my attention was the fact that you get multiple tubes for various projects. If you like to craft or repair frequently, this is worth a look. This glue has a strong adhesive formula that creates a flexible, permanent bond. It's perfect for repairing everything from denim to flannel, and even embellishments. It dries clear, which means your fixes won't stand out. With a solid 4.5-star rating and 4,500 reviews, lots of users appreciate its strong performance. The fact that it's waterproof and can withstand multiple washes is a game changer for any fabric repair. Now, some complaints came up regarding the applicator not being precise enough for smaller fixes. But here's my take. As long as you take your time and apply it carefully, you can absolutely make it work for detailed projects. This is perfect for you if you tackle a lot of fabric repairs or DIY projects. Skip this one if you tend to need precision for very small details, as that might be a bit tricky. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more capacity, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, Gleam Glee 100ml Fabric Glue. The next item is another Gleam Glee product, but this one offers a generous 100ml capacity for about $8.99. I was impressed by its high-strength performance across various materials. If you're looking for value and versatility, this could be your go-to. This glue is designed for all fabric types and dries crystal clear, making it an ideal replacement for traditional sewing. It's waterproof and can handle being machine washed and ironed, which is crucial for any fabric repairs. With a 4.5-star rating from 3,500 reviews, users rave about its strong bond and flexibility. Plus, The needle nose tip allows for precise application, so you can fix even the smallest seams without mess. However, some users noted that the glue may not be as effective on very heavy fabrics. But honestly, if you're mainly working with lighter or medium weight materials, it performs beautifully. This is a solid choice if you want a large supply for multiple projects without constant refills. Skip it if you're only working with heavy-duty materials, as it may not hold as well. Now, if you want something truly waterproof for tougher fabrics, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, Gorilla Waterproof Fabric Glue. Last but not least is the Gorilla Waterproof Fabric Glue, available for $9.20. I was intrigued by its promise of being 100% waterproof. If you need a glue that can withstand tough conditions, this one is worth your time. The Gorilla Glue offers a fast-setting, permanent bond that remains flexible even after washing. It works great on a variety of surfaces, including fabric, denim, and even embellishments like rhinestones. With 4.5 stars and over 7,400 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its reliability. Plus, it dries crystal clear, which is a huge plus for any fabric fix. One downside is that some users reported the cap can be tricky to open. But I'll be real with you. If you're looking for durability and a strong bond, the performance of this glue definitely outweighs that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're working on projects that will face a lot of wear and tear. Skip this if you're looking for a quick touch-up, as it may take a little time to set completely. So we've covered a solid range of fabric glues today, from versatile options to those designed for heavy-duty use. To wrap it all up, we've looked at the FitDye, Gleam Glee, GH1200, another Gleam Glee option, and the Gorilla Waterproof Fabric Glue. Each has its strengths, whether you need quick fixes, multiple tubes, or something waterproof. Depending on your specific needs, there's definitely something here for everyone.